A pleasant day to you. Today we are going to analyze business transactions and a summary of tabular analysis of the effects of business transactions on the accounting equation. The accounting equation is assets equals to liabilities plus owner's equity. These are the following transactions for a particular month. So let's start. January 2, Dr. Chisca Soho, a surgeon, opened the clinic on January 2, 2020 with a cash investment of 100,000 pesos and supplies amounting to 20,000 pesos. There's an increase in cash by 100,000, so we place positive 100,000 here. And supplies also increased by 20,000 pesos. Therefore, there's an increase in Dr. Soho's capital by 120,000 pesos. It is the sum of 100,000 pesos cash and 20,000 pesos worth of supplies. Next, January 3, Dr. Soho purchased for cash supplies worth 5,000 from Lim Medical Supplies. Here, there's a decrease in cash, so we put negative 5,000 pesos, but an increase in supplies by positive 5,000 pesos. Next, January 4, bought 55,000 pesos worth of surgery equipment on account from D Enterprise. There's an increase in equipment by 55,000 pesos, but since it is on account, we placed accounts payable here, increased by 55,000 pesos. January 6, rendered professional services to clients and received a check amounting to 13,500. So we receive a check, so it increases our cash by 13,500. And our owner's equity is increased also by 13,500 pesos. Next, January 8, paid electric bill and water bill amounting to 8,790. Cash is decreased by 8,790, and our capital is decreased as utilities expense 8,790 pesos. Next, January 10, issued check payable to Beauty Secrets Tabloid for advertising 2,100. There's a decrease in cash 2,100, and also decrease in capital by 2,100 because it's a advertising expense. Next, returned defective supplies worth 820 pesos to Lim Medical Supplies, January 12. So cash increased by 820 by returning the supplies, but it decreases supplies value by 820 pesos. Set invoices to clients amounting to 32,100 for services rendered on account on January 14. So since it is just invoices, it will be on the account receivable, increased by 32,100, and it will also increase our owner's equity or capital by 32,100 as professional fees. January 15, paid salaries of employees 15,200, so decrease in cash 15,200. Also, a decrease in owner's equity by 15,200 because it is salaries expense. Next, January 16, the owner withdrew 3,500 or 3,500 pesos for personal use. Decrease in cash 3,500 and decreased in owner's equity by 3,500 as Dr. Soho's withdrawals. January 18, paid miscellaneous expenses amounting to 545 pesos. Decreased in cash by 545 pesos. And also decreased in the capital as miscellaneous expense 545 pesos. January 20, paid half of the liability from the enterprise. So the enterprise is 55,000 worth of surgery equipment. So half of it, it's 27,500. So a decrease in cash by 27,500. But since this is only half, a decrease in accounts payable by 27,500. January 22, purchased various equipment from LJ Contis Laboratory and Equipment amounting to 105,000 pesos with a down payment of 20,000 pesos and the balance on account issuing a promissory note. Equipment increases by 105,000. And paying down payment 20,000 pesos. So we decreased 20,000 pesos to cash. We decreased 20,000 pesos and the balance on account issuing a promissory note. So 105,000 pesos minus 20,000 pesos equals to 85,000 pesos. 85,000 pesos increased in notes payable. January 24, rendered various services to clients on account 20,900. Since this is on account only, we will increase accounts receivable by 20,900 and also we will increase 20,900 to capital as professional fees. Next, collected from credit customers for January 14 transactions. So we go back to January 14. So that is 32,100. Increase in cash by 32,100. And a decrease in accounts receivable by also 32,100. January 27, returned defective equipment worth 3,000 purchased from LJ Contis Laboratory to be deducted from the account balance. So we decreased the equipment by 3,000 pesos. And also our notes payable is decreased by 3,000 pesos. January 29, paid rent for the month 7,100. There's a decrease in cash by 7,100. And a decrease in Soho capital by 7,100 also as rent expense. January 30, paid LJ Contis Laboratory and Equipment by 26,500. So we decrease cash by 26,500. And our notes payable is decreased also by 26,500. Lastly, 18,030 pesos worth of supplies consumed during that period. So we decreased supplies because it is consumed by negative 18,030. And also our capital is decreased by 18,030. Now you can see at the below computation that both the asset is equal to the liabilities and owner's equity. Total assets amount to 214,235 pesos, and the total liabilities and equities is also 214,235 pesos. Thank you very much.